morning. This is cause number 2021-23406 in the interest of Joseph Martin Jr. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Shaquila Michelle Kelly, I'm his mother.
All right. And for the State Attorney General?
The trauma for the state, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Joseph Markel Martin. Mr. Martin was served under Rule 106 on August 28, 2021 at 9:45 a.m. at 1441 East German Road, apartment 2055 in Chandler, Arizona. And he has not filed an answer. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Miss Shaquila Kelly.
All right.
Sorry, Judge. I'm just double checking to make sure he didn't file an answer. I don't believe he did, Judge. No. Okay, Miss Shaquila Kelly, can you tell me, are you married, Miss Kelly?
No, ma'am.
And were you married when the child was conceived?
No, ma'am.
And who do you allege is the biological father of your child?
Joseph Martin.
Okay, and tell me, what is your child's name?
Joseph Markel Martin Jr.
And how old is your child?
12 years old.
And are you asking that the court order a legal relationship between the father and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you requesting that the court change the child's last name?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like the court to order the child's last name to be?
My last name?
Which is?
Kelly.
Okay. And has your child had the same last name for the last 12 years?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason for the name change?
He has no relationship with his father. He has no relationship with his father. He will also like his last name changed as well.
The son is requesting his last name to be changed as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when was the last time your son saw his father?
2017.
And since then, there has been no contact?
There's been contact, but there's a lot of saying he's going to do things. And once you continue to tell a child something, they kind of like don't want anything to do with you after a while.
Okay. So do you make all the decisions? Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
You make all the decisions for your child?
Yes, ma'am, since I was 17, since he was born.
Okay, and the father has not contributed or helped at all?
No, ma'am.
When was the last, so are you asking the court to make you the sole managing conservator of the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And where does the father live?
He lives in Arizona, but I contacted him recently. He claims he's moved to Houston, so I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, and are you asking the court to not have any restrictions on where you determine where the child lives?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and does your child have health insurance?
No, ma'am.
So do you understand that the court is going to order you to set up health insurance for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you attempted to set up health insurance through Medicaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And someone in Arizona it has my son's name on their case, I'm guessing, and they keep telling me that they can't, because of that, I can't get Medicaid for him. And I've tried to contact Arizona several times, and his father claims he doesn't know who has his information or who used his name. So.
And are you understand the court is going to order you to get health insurance for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know where the father, Mr. Martin, works?
No, I know he's an entertainer. He's a producer. He's a part of the entertainment business, and he also told me that he was a bounty hunter. I don't know how true that is. So
Okay.
no.
So you understand the court is going to order child support and medical support based on minimum wage, correct?
Okay, that's fine.
Are you asking the court to order that Mr. Martin reimbursed for medical support at $57 a month beginning January 1?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
And do you understand the court is going to order that any uncovered health insurance costs be split between you and the father?
Okay.
And do you know if Mr. Martin has any other children under the age of 18?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children?
4.
And how many of those 4 children are under 18?
3 of them.
So do you understand the court is going to order child support set at $160 a month beginning January 1?
That's fine.
And are you asking for any back support from Mr. Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to order a judgment in the amount of $9,120 in back support from April 20th of 2017 until December 15th of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court order that Mr. Martin pay that at $96 a month?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
And if court costs should be billed, who should they be billed to?
Joseph Martin.
Okay. As far as visits with the child, Mr. Martin does not live in Houston, as far as you know, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And where would you want those visits to take place if Mr. Martin exercises his right to visit the child?
My mother's house, my mother's residence.
At your mother's residence, is that 12510 South Green, apartment 1116 in Houston?
Yes, ma'am.
And because Mr. Martin has not seen the child since 2017, are you requesting 12 periods of supervised visits with your mom supervising or any other competent adult?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe this order, as you reviewed it, to be in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And the only thing at issue is the child's last name that has not been corrected in the order. And you're asking the judge to grant that order, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Okay. Miss Kelly, has the father contributed anything at all for the support of this child in the
No, sir.
last 4 years? All right. All right. The child's surname shall remain Martin, and the order submitted is approved. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. May we be
Okay.
excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Kelly. So that's the order you've already